welcome back again to LuckyHRanch. I am going to make a cleaner with the vinegar, lemon, rosemary, and some lavender. I'm also going to make dehydrated lemons.
Grab one of my tall pickle jars here and start filling it with small ones.
Now this one, for the whole lemons, what do you need to do to those?
So from what I watched, you just mix a little bit of salt and water and pour it in there.
Oh.
Like a brine.
Okay.
And I'm kind of pushing them down a little bit, but I mean,
yeah,
not like a ton. All right, so this is what we have.
All of these lemons in here, I didn't count them, but I did end up getting 3 bags.
And there's 2 cups in each?
And there's 2 cups in each of the lemon juice that I will freeze for my water. And then I can also use those, break that off and use it in tacos, on fish. It's just a plain lemon juice.
So I'm literally cutting this lemon into quarters, but just not all the way through. So if you can see here, it is cut into 4, but not all the way to the bottom. And I'm then gonna just shove salt down into this lemon. Like this. This just seems crazy to me, but okay. And you close it back up and you put your lemon like that. So we'll see how this goes.
I'm going to work on the lemon cleaner. So the lemon cleaner has vinegar, rosemary, and lavender. So these are Meyer lemons off of a single tree that we have here. And then I have a couple rosemary bushes that we harvested the rosemary from, and some lavender bushes. So here's some rosemary. And all I'm going to do is layer this. Besides the wonderful fragrances, oh, it smells so good. Not as strong as when
It smells good.
picked it yesterday, but oh my goodness. So I'm just gonna layer this. Rosemary and lavender are both known for their beneficial properties of antibacterial, antifungal. So it's really good to have them in a cleaner. Let me get some lavender. And then of course also for their fragrance. Lavender is also known for its calming effect. It can help reduce stress and anxiety. So, you know, cleaning your counters, mopping your floor, you have that smell throughout your house all day. How wonderful would that be? The lemon and the vinegar are both very acidic, and they have antibacterial and antiseptic properties in them, and they can cut through soap, grime, and grease. So it really helps with, you can use this as an all-purpose cleaner. After we're done, I'm going to put an airtight lid on it, and again put it in a cool shade, dark area, and again mix it every few days and leave it for 2 to 4 weeks, and then strain it off. And I'll store some of it in a spray bottle and then some of it in a jar, and refill my spray bottle as needed. You also should dilute it a little bit with water.
Like mix it when you're refilling your container?
Your spray bottle, yeah, yes. And I'm no expert, but I'm pretty sure because this is so acidic, you shouldn't be using this on natural stone.
I don't know. It might erode it a little bit.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to pour, I suppose I could just keep shoving them in there, but I just don't know how much I really should. So I'm going to stop at this point and I'm going to pour the water over these like so.
And I had put quite a bit of rosemary in here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm adding some more lavender.
I think this is all lemon juice, is it?
Probably running off the cutting board.
I think so.
We'll just wipe it off the counter into a jar and save it.
Speaking of not using lemon on your natural stone.
Yeah. Oh no. It will be fine. It's just a white vinegar. Smell that vinegar. You guys are missing out on all of these aromas.
That's so pretty too.
It is pretty, huh? Vinegar. So fun. Look at that.
It's pretty. Doing that in like an individual spray bottle would be really cute as a gift. Like a clear glass spray bottle.
Oh my gosh, that's a good idea. Huh. Everybody knows what they're getting for Christmas.
So I'm now just doing full-on quarters and shoving them in the salt and pushing them down in here. And this is definitely not needing any
Oh, those were quarters.
any water. Yeah, I've like fully quartered these ones.
Oh my goodness.
And just dipped it like I did the sliced
It just
ones.
amazes me how much
Juice is.
All right, so the next project I'm working on is to dehydrate the lemons. So I'm gonna slice these, and you don't wanna do them too thin because they're gonna shrivel up to nothing. So what do you think, an eighth? Is that?
It's probably like a quarter.
Oh, this is probably way too
Oh,
thick
that
on
side,
that
yeah.
side.
Hence why she was trying to use the mandolin.
Not cutting very straight. Oh, maybe I should have cut first
What do you mean?
because my extras I should be putting into a cleaner.
Oh, I didn't even think of that.
I am going to grab a jar over here and to put all my mess ups and my ends. Now with the dehydrated lemons, the same thing. You can use them in all kinds of, you can put them in your water, your tea. You can put them in a chicken dish. You can put them in a fish dish. All kinds of things. You can, again, grind them up.
Oh, to make like a lemon powder type of seasoning?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna grab a tray from the dehydrator. Should these be touching or not touching?
I think it's fine. They'll start shrinking up and
Okay.
yeah. All right, so I am now gonna just take some of this salt that fell on the counter. I'm not gonna measure it. I don't know. I'm just gonna put some in it and mix this up with a knife here, just so I don't have to dirty anything else. And I'm gonna pour this brine mixture over the top of my whole lemon.
have already asked you this. So what is a suggestion for those? Dark, cool area, refrigerator, just out
I
for
honestly,
storing?
I mean, you can put them in the fridge or in a dark area. Of course, you wouldn't want them like in the sun. But I think, you know, like if you have a pantry or a cabinet of some sort to put them in, that would work well. And how pretty.
Yeah. I'm gonna call her out in a minute. Our oldest granddaughter. She's over here sneaking on the floor because she doesn't want to get into the camera's view to get chips out of the drawer. You guys might get to meet her one day. She's not like Ariana. Ariana likes to be on camera. So now you have met my daughter Nicole, and then her daughter Ariana, and then you heard her daughter Madison giggling. So our daughter has 2 girls and our son has 3 boys. So our daughter has the girls and our son has the boys. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel and click on that bell so that when new videos come up, you get notified. We're still rather new to this and trying to get videos up as often as we can so that you can see our life here on the ranch. You can experience it with us and go through all of our trials and errors. And so that you can let us know, give us tips and ideas of how we can better be more efficient with things.
And I guess over time, you know, the longer that it sits, the more enhanced the flavor becomes. And I guess if you let it sit for like a year, they end up more like a deeper color.
My bucket of lemons is all empty. This is the last tray. I got 5.5 trays of sliced lemons. Okay, now that I have all the lemon slices in the dehydrator, we're gonna get it started. It says between 125 and 135, so I'm gonna set it at 130. And then I'm just going to turn the power on and push start. And I'm gonna check it in about 8 hours and see how they are.